Okay, this is how to kind of hack slash get things out of a vending machine in the UK for only a penny. Now you'll be getting them out of this sort of one where you put your money in and twist and then you get the sweets. But the ones that run on the 20p. So what you need is a bit of tin foil and a penny. Now if you put the penny kind of in the middle like that, and what you want to do then is kind of just sort of wrap the penny up like this, and if you get a bit of spare, kind of rip it off almost until you've got something kind of like this. Now you want to press that down so you get something like this, and then once you've got this, you put it in like that, and as you can see, that accepted it. And I would have obviously, if this had something in, got the sweets. Now some people might be saying that was kind of camera work or whatever, but first off, let me prove a normal penny without. You put it in and it won't go, and you actually lose a penny because it's smaller. And also, now I can quickly prove, if I open this up, because obviously it's mine, that here is our original penny.